everyone, how are you all? A clean and healthy environment is part and perfect of the wealth and quality of life that we desire for ourselves now and for our children in the future. So today I want to speak something specially about protect our environment from plastic and polythene. It's a most increasing problem in the world, so it's important to share to others. Plastic is the general common term for a wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic organic solid materials suitable for the manufacture of industrial products. Plastics are typically polymers of high molecular weight and may contain other substances to improve performance and reduce costs. Plastics is one of the new chemical materials which pose environmental problem. Polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene is largely used in the manufacture of plastics. Protecting the environment is one of today's most serious issues. It is not a secret that our planet is in danger. Almost every day we hear about a new problem affecting the environment. This list seems to be endless. The main issues are pollution, acid rain, greenhouse effect, climate change, rainforest destruction, and the extinction of thousands of animal and plant species. The fact is people produce too much rubbish. Household waste increased by 16% from 1992 to 2008. Each year, we produce half a ton per person. The main part of the site rubbish is either burned or taken to enormous landfill sites. We should admit that both ways are harmful for the environment. The better option when dealing with waste is reusing or recycle it. Rather recycle only 35% of our household rubbish, although it is possible to recycle up to 80%. To help achieve this, follow these simple recommendations. Sort your rubbish. Organic items like potato peeling, leftover food and tea leaves can be transferred into a compost heap in the garden and used as a natural fertilizer for plants. Plastic bottles, juice cartons and cardboard can be taken to a recycling bank. Thank you.